Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alma and welcome. I hope everybody's having a great week, a great weekend, wherever it is falling for your day when you're watching this video. I hope you're having a good one. Okay, so today my video, I wanted to do it a little bit different. I've been wanting to do something like this. If you hear anything in the background, the baby's playing around, so yeah, that's her. Okay, so I already did my makeup. The foundation I used today is Fit Me by Maybelline. And my blush is by Wet n Wild. This one's called Mellow Wine. It's one of my favorite blushes. And powder, I use the L'Oreal True Match. Contour, I use the e.l.f. contour palette. What else did I use? Oh, I used this one that I pulled out. I've had it in there in my stash for a while, and I'm like, why am I not using this? I don't know. I'm crazy. So today I wanted to do an unboxing, and I ordered makeup by Makeup Geek. I don't know if you guys know the brand, but it's not a brand anymore. It went out of business, I guess. I think that's what it is. Don't even quote me on anything. But anyways, I got an email that they were having like a 70% off sale or something. So I kind of splurged a little bit on that. And I got some eyeshadows. So I just got my package today, and here's how it looks. And I wanted to undo it and show it and try it in front of you guys. Okay, so I'm opening it, and this is what comes in. I ordered a bunch of eyeshadows. I think I ordered a blush. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox it here with you guys. So here are the eyeshadows. Oh my god, they're beautiful. And they're individually packed. This one is called Hot Tamale. It's a matte rosy color. This one, it's a green one. It's called Mint to Be. This one, Pretty in Pink. Really cute. And Pretty in Pink. I ordered double of some colors. So Espresso Yourself. Wow, this is a cute brown. This one's called Cotton Candy. It's a pink color. Another Cotton Candy. I've been needing a pink eyeshadow. Okay, so these are pigments. Dynamic. This one's called Unleashed. And this one's called Unleashed as well. Indestructible. This is a cool blue. Oh my god. That's so cute, man. I feel bad that I didn't buy some before, but I just couldn't at the time. So, you know. This one, Reach for the Stars. It's an eyeshadow. This one is called Lavender Dream. And I got more. This one, Enchanted Forest. This is like a deep green, or yeah, it's a green. This one, Staycation. Wow. This one, Eternally Grateful. Another Cotton Candy. Indestructible Power Pigment. And what else did I get? I got, oh yeah, I got blush. So it comes in this little baggie. This one is a blush. It's called Summer Fling. This is a cute color. Oh my god, it's like caramel. It's like corally, kinda. This one, Burnished Deep Bronzer. Burnished. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. I do want to do a tutorial on the eyeshadows, so I already have my lids prepped. What I used today, I just want to tell you guys what I used today. the Wet n Wild Incognito. And I set my lids with that powder, this one by L'Oreal. So I'm ready to go. Oh yeah, my lipstick, if you guys want to know, it's this one by Milani. It's called Petal. This one is really cute. Okay, so I do wanna show you guys. This is a Z palette. I got it from Amazon a million years ago, and I will be organizing all my new eyeshadows, and I think this one too. Anyways, they do come with magnets on the back. Okay, and see, it goes right there. Wow, I've never seen my little thing all full. It's all heavy and everything. So I tried to put the colors together, like the pinks, the darks. I know, I tried the best that I can. This one fit, but this one doesn't fit, but it's okay. Eventually I'm gonna have to get another one. But yeah, I got this one on Amazon years ago. I'm sure they still sell them. And these come with magnets, so you can put them on the back, like if you depot the eyeshadows. Okay, so I'm gonna do a tutorial on these shadows right now, so let's get started. Right now I'm gonna grab this Eco Tools tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with, let's try this color right here. It's called Espresso Yourself. Okay, it's a little stained on the side, but it's okay. All right, so I'm gonna place this one on my crease. So this is how it looks. It went on well. Maybe I could apply a little bit more on the outer corner. Okay, so I'm gonna be bold today. I'm gonna try out this blue. It's really pretty. I don't remember what the name is. Indestructible. Sorry, can't read. So I'm gonna get a little bit of that blue. It's called Indestructible. I'm gonna tap it onto my brush and place it on the outer corner. Okay, so there it is. I placed it on both corners of my eye. I use this Real Techniques blending little fluffy brush. And yeah, there it is. That's the blue. And now I'm gonna go in with that orange color. It looks orange to me, but this is the one. It's called Dynamic. I'm gonna go in with the shader brush. This one right here, this one's by MAC. It's the 239. I'm gonna get that color and place it right here next to that blue. Now I'm gonna pick up this green. It's called Enchanted Forest Eyeshadow. I'm getting my smudge brush, this one right here by e.l.f. And I'm gonna place that down here. I literally just wish I could put all these colors on my eyes today, just to see how they are. Okay, I know I have blush on already, but I wanted to try this one. I already put my lashes on. The lashes that I'm using are by Kiss. I got it right here. They are the So Wispy #1s. This one right here. This is how they look. Wispy. Okay, so I dabbed what I could off. I mean, I know it's probably not gonna make a difference, but I do want to swatch this on. This is by Makeup Revolution brush, and ooh, okay. Hope you guys can see a difference. I didn't have any blush on my nose, so at least I overdid it. Okay, I'm gonna get my powder brush and kind of diffuse it. But anyways, you get the idea. I was just trying, I just wanted to try it because I bought it and to show it on. I'm gonna put it back in because I didn't have room for this guy. Okay, so lashes on. I put the mascara by CoverGirl. Again, I know I have contour or bronzer on, but I'm still gonna try it. I'm gonna get this little contour brush. This one's by Real Techniques. I haven't used it in a while, but I'm gonna get this here and place it on my face just so you guys can see it. Okay, and now I'm gonna set my makeup with this e.l.f. setting spray. So far, I like the application. I like how you can build it up. I mean, you know, they're good eyeshadows. I think I got them for like $1 something a piece, and then some were like a little more than that, but they were for sure under $2, which is why I purchased it. I've been wanting to purchase this her brand for a really long time. I kept going in her website, saving it in the cart, and I just would leave it like that. And then at some point, I would just get over it, and I'm like, I'm not gonna get it. But this is something I've always wanted to purchase, and I'm glad I did it. I mean, it sucks that... Okay, baby, come here. It sucks that she, you know, is not gonna do this anymore. Her brand is pretty much over, and I'm glad I got my hands on some of it at least, right? Okay, everybody, and this concludes my tutorial, my makeup haul for the day, and thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you on the next video, and thank you for everybody that has subscribed, and the people who haven't subscribed, please do so. And all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate it. And thank you so much for the support. And here we go. Lily, say goodbye. I don't know what she's doing. What are you doing? Say bye. See you on the next video. You bumped your head here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. See you on the next video.